Hey Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, cool means right here, and basically what this is a fabric shaver. If you guys can see, it's from this brand right here. So for those of you guys who never heard of this product or never seen this product before, basically what this is for is the fact that you guys want to use this onto like your fabric, like your jackets, your shirts, or whatever. If you guys look at a certain part of your clothes, you probably see like a lot of those little things that stick out in your clothes, and when you guys feel it, it feels kind of weird. And usually those stuff are just like lint that falls out from your clothes or whatever. And basically the way how you guys solve that or get rid of that is by using one of these fabric shavers, and it would definitely remove all those like lint or whatever that's sticking out of your clothes, which I'll definitely show you guys what I mean in a second. But in terms of this product right here, if you guys see in the front, they provide you guys some of the features and specs that's on here. And when you guys look on the side right here, they provide you guys some more information about the product as well. So for this product actually requires two AA batteries to actually power it on. But that is basically everything that's on the package right here. Let me actually open up and show you guys what the inside looks like. Alright, so when you guys first open up, this is basically actually looks like. Let's take everything out. Alright, so right here they provide you guys a little case, and they provide you guys two of these extra blades if you guys need to replace it. If it's right there. So they basically provide you guys two extra blades if you guys need to replace it. Right here they provide you guys one of the little covers that's in use to put on top of the product. And usually these are pretty useful if you guys want to use a shaver for like wool, sweaters, or whatever. And right here they do provide a little bag that can use to hold like the actual shaver and all the accessories on here. Right here they provide you guys the instruction manual to teach you guys how to set a product and how to use it. Right here they provide you guys a quick starter guide to teach you guys how to set a product and also show you guys how to replace the blades if you guys need to. And then last but not least, we have the actual product right here. So let's take it out from the wrapper first. Alright, so when we take it out, you guys can see that this is basically what the product looks like. So on the front part right here, they do have a little cover to cover up this part right here. But like I mentioned, if you guys want to use this accessory right here, you can definitely put it inside right here. So that way it actually works better for like wool or sweaters or whatever. But if you guys want to get the best effect, you definitely want to use it without any covers right here, because that way actually get closer and deeper to actual clothes or fabric. But you see right there, they have the brand logo right there, and this is basically like the trash holder and everything. So basically once you guys use this on like your fabric or whatever, all like the lint and fabric will go down here, and you basically have to just open up this part here and pour it out. And when you guys are done, close it back up. And then back right here, you'll see that they have the switch to activate the product. So right now it's off. If you guys push it up 1, that's speed level 1. Push it up again, speed level 2. And this part right here is the battery compartment. So if we open it up, so that is basically the battery compartment. So you basically want to put in two AA batteries in here, which is not included. And when it's done, close it back up. And for this part right here, you can definitely open it up. So if you guys turn it this way, you guys can take that part out and replace the blade if you guys need to. And then once you guys replace it, screw it back on, and it's all set. And then right there, you see they provide you guys some more information on here. They teach you guys how to use the cover if you guys want to use this option right here. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me actually plug in the battery to show you guys how it works first before we actually test it out. Alright, so I'll put the batteries inside right here first. Alright, so we got the battery in. Let's put that on the cap. Alright, so let's test it out and see how it works. So let's try out speed level 1. So that's speed level 1. Let's try speed level 2. Alright, so you can definitely hear that actual product is pretty powerful and pretty strong. And when you guys look at the blade right here, you can definitely see the blade as well. But I'll actually bring this over to the table or whatever and actually test it out to see how it works and when it actually works, and show you guys what it actually looks like before and after on the fabric. So let's go do that first, and then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so here we have the jacket that I've been wearing every day for the video. If you can see all these little like lints or like this fabric on here. So basically on your jackets, your shirts, your leggings or whatever, if you guys see a bunch of these right here, these are the stuff that you do not want. So you basically want to get the fabric shaver and shave all these off. So you basically want to turn it on and just start rolling right here. You can definitely hear the blade cutting all like the fabric or the lint off from here. So we'll try and speed level 1 first. Alright, so let's see how much more cleaner it looks on this side compared to this side right here. So now let's use it on speed level 2 and see how well it works. So you see how much cleaner it looks now, and when you guys feel it on here, you don't feel anything on here compared to before. When we put our hand on here, you can definitely feel all the stuff sticking out. Now I don't feel anything on here, which is pretty nice. So you can definitely see the product definitely does work. Whether you use it on speed level 1 or speed level 2, they both work really well. And when you guys look at the inside right here, you can definitely see some of the fabric or lint inside. So basically when you guys are ready to throw away, you just have to open up this part right here and throw it into the trash. But that is basically how you guys use the product, and you can see it actually does work. And also in the box they do provide the brush as well that I've got to take out earlier, if you can see. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw a quick test of the product and definitely see that it actually does work and it's quite well. Super easy to use. If you see under the fabric and everything, there's a lot of those little lints that's all over like the clothes. And once we use the product, it definitely removes all of that, which is pretty awesome. And like the whole process from like cutting it and throwing away the trash or the lint is so easy to use. If there was anything that I wish this product has, is the fact that if this product had the option for you guys to recharge it using a cable, that would have been nice. I do have other fabric shavers that does have the option where it does not use a battery. You just use a cable to actually plug it in to recharge it. And I feel like that's much more convenient because we don't have to plug in a new battery every single time. All we need to do is just plug it into the power bank, wall charger, or whatever to recharge it. So that's the only thing that I wish this product has. But you can see from the test and everything about this product definitely works quite well. So now to come unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if your shirts, jacket, pants, leggings, or whatever has a lot of those like lint falling out from your clothes or whatever, or sticking out, and you don't like that, then you definitely want to get one of these right here to remove that. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have to one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.